So the best feature of the Cybex Libelle, hands down, is the fold, unfold, and compact package that it folds into. So you're gonna need 2 hands for this. You're gonna squeeze these with your thumbs, 2 buttons on the handlebars. You're gonna push down. You're going to rotate it in like this. It locks on its own right here with this lock. Look at this compact package, guys. It is so small. I have purses bigger than this. Really, really small, only 13 pounds. You can get a travel bag sold separately. And to unfold it, again, it's kind of one of those circus tricks again. You're just gonna lift up that lock right here and ta-da! You're gonna flip it out until it locks open. There's an indicator on the side too that will be red if it isn't all the way locked open. So check for that to make sure that it is locked open. And that is how easy it is to fold and unfold.